How many devices are you carrying right now? Every chip in every one of them was born on a wafer like this, worth $50,000, built by machines that run on a single motor. One failure, and it's gone. $80 billion lost every year. The industry calls it the cost of doing business. Until now, CoreX MotionGrid removes the single motor from the equation entirely. In its place, an array of coordinated electromechanical actuator cells, each one independent, each one intelligent, each one replaceable, without stopping the system. CoreX MotionGrid does not improve the motor, it replaces the architecture behind it. Every actuator cell receives its own command. Every cell responds in real time. Not one motor driving a platform, but hundreds of intelligent units producing motion together. No transmission losses, no mechanical backlash, no compliance errors, pure motion at the point of contact. One cell fails. In a conventional system, production stops. Engineers are called. The line goes cold. Average repair time, 4 to 8 hours. Average cost per event, $180,000. In MotionGrid, neighboring cells detect the failure and absorb the load in less than 1 millisecond. The platform never stops. The line never stops. Revenue never stops. Precision environments are never truly still. Vibration from adjacent machinery, thermal expansion, floor resonance. Vibration is not a condition, it is a defect source. MotionGrid does not tolerate vibration. It eliminates it at the surface, before it reaches the platform, before it becomes a defect. At the core, a deterministic real-time control system, FPGA-based processing, microsecond synchronization. Every actuator commanded with nanosecond precision. This is not motor control. This is motion orchestration. No approximation, no latency, no compromise. 100 nanometers. A human hair is 800 times wider. A red blood cell is 80 times wider. A ball screw has 5,000 nanometers of backlash. MotionGrid has none. This is not incremental. This is architectural. This is the scale at which modern technology cannot afford to fail, and where MotionGrid operates. To scale a conventional motion system, you replace the motor with a bigger motor. Every scale change requires a complete mechanical redesign. Conventional systems scale by force. MotionGrid scales by architecture. You add cells. The control system adapts automatically. The precision remains constant. The architecture never changes. One system, every scale, the chip in your phone, the battery in your car, the robot in your operating room, the satellite above your head, all of them, built by machines that move. MotionGrid makes those machines move better. The global precision motion systems market is $35 billion, growing at 12% annually, driven by semiconductor expansion, robotics adoption, and the AI infrastructure build-out that shows no sign of slowing. For 150 years, one motor has been at the heart of every machine. MotionGrid changes that. This is the end of the single motor era. The only question is, who builds what comes next?